Hey guys, Sweet Chaos here, back at it again with the Pokemon SoulSilver playthrough. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, so that way you don't miss any more or any of the upcoming episodes that I'll be recording here. But without further ado, off we go into the Bellsprout Tower. As you can see, we have a new friend. His name is Bees, and he wants to play. Well, Bees, you get to play in the Tower of Sprout. Alright, I've played these games many times, but when I said the Tower of Sprout, that was kind of just on a whim. I thought that was hilarious. I'm very tickled by that. However hard we battle, the tower will stand strong. Will it? Will it really? Let us continue. Nico! Oh yeah, this is going to be a field day for Bees. He's got 35 poison stings. It's going to take a while, but we got this. As long as Bees just keeps on taking those Vine Whips, those whole HP drops. That's funny. Yeah! Anyway. That actually just made me think of something that would just completely destroy the game. And that is, if a Pokemon had an ability that every time it got physically hit by another Pokemon, the HP goes down. But not like you lose hit points. No, like for that match, you lose the maximum hit points until, and it can only go down 3 times in a single match without being switched out. And I think that would just be hilarious, because that would be a very niche ability to use just whenever you want. Bees, you're doing great. You're doing phenomenal with these critical hits. You just keep on doing great things, girl. Bees be doing bees things. You really just want to be a Beedrill, don't you? I want you to be a Beedrill. That's what I want. I mean, I feel like it would be moot to try and do any sort of hardens at all in this tower, because, like, they hit me, it's just 1 HP. It doesn't matter. Ow. Eat. Alright. Up we continue to grow. Hey, there's a ball here. Ooh. I wonder if they're going to try and paralyze me. Hello. We stand guard in this tower. Here, we express our gratitude to show our respect for all Pokemon. Well, alright, that's cool. I like where your head's at. That is really funny because it looks like it's clean shaved, it's bald, it's bicked, it's shiny, some would say even a waxed. And then you see these guys like they're character models, not chibied, and it's like, ah yes, they definitely shaved their heads. That's a 5 o'clock shadow on top of your on the chrome dome. All right, I'll bite. That's 1 whole HP. Nah, I like this. I think Bees is the way to do it in Bellsprout Tower because, well, darn it, might as well be. Nope, that's not very effective. I agree. Yeah. Hey! Level 10 Bees doing the poison sting. That's a decent chunk. I don't think that Bees is going to get another level if I take out the next two Bellsprouts. So, that's why I'm not too worried about it. Aw. Well, I think we're halfway. We should be halfway now. The poison sting usage. There we go. Awesome. Yeah. And now Bees becomes the actual bee. Do 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 do. Ow. My leg hurts. Mold. Yo, Beedrill! Bees! And it learned what? Fury Attack. Egg Salad. And the funny part for me is that I genuinely feel okay with just rolling deep with everything. I don't think that there's going to be any wild attempts because Ghastly only comes out at night. And also, it's not that crazy. I want to see how strong this Beedrill is, comparatively speaking. I am out of water. That is a terrible plan. Edmund! Let's see what a Poison Sting does, because that's neutral, but now I have a fully evolved Beedrill. More than half. Cool. Never did I think that I would ever imagine a Beedrill doing great things, but here we are. And of course, it's Fury Attack missed. I could have just gone with the Poison Sting, but no, Fury Attack was what I wanted to try out. Well, Pap. Okay. My goodness, that is awesome. Alright, no, I like that. That's cool. You know what? Let's see, because if it's more than 3, like if it hits 3 times, it's gonna get into the red, based off of what I've seen. Yeah, no, actually it dies. Like, yeah, no, it dies. Never mind, I lied. Yeah, hello. Bellsprout. Just do the Fury Attack. Yeah. My goodness. You only did 2. How dare you? Actually, no, that makes sense for you. Cool. Well, here's what I want to do. So you're at level 11. I want Bigmouth to get to level 16 at the very least. I want it to be a Croconaw before getting into the other place. And now let's heal. Let's heal you. And then once Bigmouth becomes a Croconaw, that's when I'll go and get Lad up to snuff. No thank you, sir. I just used a potion. Rattata, right? Yeah, I figured as much. A level 5 Rattata, though. I'm not going to fight it. Or I'm not going to... You know what I mean. Not even slightly. No one knows what you mean. Oh, okay. Fair enough. I understand we're in a Bellsprout tower and Bigmouth is water, but you know what? Hey, sometimes you overwater plants, okay. That's why it shouldn't be grass type. It should be plant type, right? Sage Jin. Bigmouth. Bigmouth, do the beat. Yeah! Look at that. Look at this dude. Look at this pal, this lad. Oh, this little squirt just defeated us. I'm like, yeah, I do that, bud. Sorry. Also, I'm not. And that dude is not going to let it slide that I am just standing right in front of him. He's like, yes, you will fight him, but then you will fight me. It's like, wow. Kneel. Kneel before him! Level 6. Bite should take it out, because it did the last one. Unless it has a high defense nature. It doesn't! We move on. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Big Mouth evolves. I don't need Scary Face. No, we're good. Thank you. Yep, give up on learning Scary Face. Thank you. So this next dude has the Hoot Hoot, right? Oh, the big hair. The red-haired lad upstairs. Yeah! This guy should have a Hoot Hoot and a Bellsprout, right? Like, he's not the boss man, but he should have the Hoot Hoot and a Bellsprout. First is Bellsprout. This might take it out still. I'm not entirely sure. Unless it has a high defense or high defense nature. Okay. Cool. Works. 252. Gets up to there. Okay. And, oh, we have a Crocodile. As long as this takes out... I didn't mean to hit bite, but maybe its defense is lower. Yeet. Anyway. And we gon' hit a Crocodile. Big Mouth gets bigger. Oh no, it doesn't evolve. 17? Sniffing at the floor. Okay. You showed us what you've got, and it is indeed good. Take this technical machine. However, you should care more about your Pokémon. The way you treat them can be a bit harsh. Remember, Pokémon are not tools of war. He calls himself the Elder, but you know what? He is no match for me. Sure enough, those who lecture how you should be nice to Pokémon, they can't defeat me. All I care about are strong Pokémon that win every time. The rest of them don't mean anything to me. If you used an escape rope and teleport it out. Because that's how animation works, I suppose. So good of you to come here. Sprout Tower is a place of training. People and Pokémon test their bonds to build a bright future together. I am the final test. Allow me to check the ties between you and your Pokémon. Sounds good, sir. I'm all about it. Let us continue and do great things. See, this guy looks like he had a beard, but I think that was just his robe. The extended white. Bite takes it out, though. Unless Big Mouth goes and evolves at 18. I don't know if it evolves at 18. I want to say that it should have evolved at 16, but I could just be wrong. What if it has Spore for an ability? Not Spore, but like the... whatever kind of Spore ability that allows it to paralyze, sleep, or whatever. I wonder if it will evolve now. Woot woot! To level 10. See, if it doesn't take it out, but what if it flinches? Dang it. Oh, did you drop my attack? It doesn't mean anything, but I'll let you think that it did. Like, no, my attack is lower. I couldn't possibly defeat it. Hey, I like to have fun. What can I say? Does Big Mouth evolve at 17? Probably evolves at 18, doesn't it? Yep, 18 it is. That's fine. The way you battle is quite elegant. You should be able to stand up to Faulkner. And you should be able to make good use of this. It is a technical machine called Flash. Take it with you. First and foremost, sir, I appreciate the gift, but I did not battle eloquently or elegantly. I battled pressing the same button 4 times, sir. Also, Scape? Yeah. Yeah, I need that escape rope. I don't need it, but I'm gonna use it. Where are you? Anyway. Use. Even Big Mouth's like, oh my goodness! I have an idea. And thusly, we have taken down the Sprout Tower. The Tower of Sprout, the Bell Tower. But what if they called it the Bell Tower? I'm going to call it the Bell Tower. Anyway, oh my goodness. And we roll deep into here, and before we go into the gym, do I need anything? I don't think I need anything. Because my intention is just to blast through with Beegmouth and hopefully get Beegmouth to become even bigger. Let's find out. Let's check it out. Let's do it. Let's roll. He said, yes, you should be able to handle Faulkner. I was like, oh, I know I should. I know I will. But, sir. I was like, ah, yes. Oh, that's right. Oh! That's terrifying, man. And I like battling all of them. Also, let's just throw it out there that this is a whole dollar sign. Just a whole dollar sign. Anyway, Abe wants to send out a Spearow. That's cool. I don't think its special defense is very good. Granted, Beegmouth's special attack isn't very good. But Beegmouth is hilariously over-leveled for this gym. What can I say? I like to enjoy my games, and this reminds me of how... This is how I play. Anyone who saw the streams of the last couple where I just did basic playthroughs of ROMs, yeah, no, easy day. I usually just like to play until it's time to challenge something or I've done enough in a certain area. And that's when I'm usually good. That's when I want to play. That's when I want to challenge. I don't know. Let's see, how many Pokemon? 2? This might... That's funny. I don't know if Croconaw will be a reality prior to Faulkner, but that would be really cool if it was. I don't know if it will be. It will be. If it evolves at level 18. If it doesn't, then that's also fine. Because it's really not that serious. Hey! Level 18 Beegmouth. Hey! Little guy! Little dude! What if I press B? I'm tempted. No, I'm not going to. Beegmouth has evolved to Croconaw. Ha 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 ha. The Beegmouth got bigger. Hey, I like that. Anyway, what up, Faulkner? I'm Faulkner, the Violet City Pokemon Gym Leader. People say that you can clip flying-type Pokemon's wings with a jolt of electricity. I won't allow such insults to bird Pokemon. I'll show you the real power of the magnificent bird Pokemon. Alright, let's go. Check this out. Let's do this. Roll. Deep. Love this music. The wind is finally with us. What do you mean by that? Beegmouth. Flinch, flinch, flinch. Yes! That's funny. We can still... Can you? That's funny. I like that. No, that's hype. That's hilarious as all hell. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. Hey! Level 19. Oh yeah. And Beegmouth takes down Faulkner. For pity's sake, my dad's cherished bird Pokemon. But a defeat is a defeat. Alright, take this official Pokemon League badge. This one is the Zephyr badge. Yeah! 1 badge down. Many to go. Actually, well, we'll see. Yep, Pokemon up to level 20. And I can use Rock Smash. That's cool. Roost? That'll be helpful once I catch myself a Hoot Hoot. All right. Well, hey, y'all. Oh, my. Jeez. It slipped out of my hand. I got nothing for you. But anyway, without further ado, let's do the thing right quick. We're going to save. Yeah. Saving a lot of data. Well, while this data gets saved, cue the outro. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me again today. Continuing on, in the next episode, we'll make our way through all of the, the next tunnel, the cave, whatever the case may be, over to Azalea Town, as well as dealing with the Slowpoke Well, as I recall. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe here for more Pokemon content, as well as make sure not to miss any of the episodes. I'll continue to be streaming as often as humanly possible. Anyway, thanks again for joining me. Sweet Chaos, signing out.